How to draw a scuba diver. We are going to begin by drawing two slightly curved parallel lines for the left arm of our scuba diver. Now we are going to draw another line just like this one to the right a little bit for the other side of the arm. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a straight line at the bottom of those two lines, connecting them together. Nice job! Next we are going to draw a very small line going to the right from this arm for part of the torso. This will be right here. Nice job! Now we are going to draw a long, skinny rectangle right here. This will be at the waist of our scuba diver. Looks great! Now we are going to begin drawing the legs. For this, we are going to draw a line that will be right here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to draw another line similar to this one that will be right here. Then for the bottom of the leg, we are going to draw a small line going inwards from either of these two lines that we just drew. Now we are going to draw another one right here. Awesome job! Next we are going to connect these two small lines together by drawing a sideways U shape right here. Nice job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next we are going to draw the flipper connecting to the bottom leg. This is going to be a curved line going downwards from the leg right here that has two small humps and then curves back upwards to the leg. Awesome job! Now to finish drawing this flipper, we are going to draw two lines inside of it. Great job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw the other flipper connecting to the other leg the exact same way. Then lastly, for this flipper, we are going to draw the two lines inside of it. Great job! Now we are going to draw some of the straps which will connect the diving cylinder to our scuba diver's back. This is what holds all the gas so that the scuba diver can breathe underwater. We will start by drawing two small curved lines right here. Then at the top of those two lines, we will draw a small line connecting them together. Then we are going to draw another strap similar to the one that we just drew that will be on the other side of the arm right here. Then at the top of those two lines, we are going to draw a line connecting them together. Awesome job! Next, we are going to draw our scuba diver's back. For this, we are going to draw some lines that will be right here, here, and a little one here. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. We're almost done drawing our scuba diver's body. Next, we are going to draw the neck. For this, we are going to draw a diagonal line going up and to the left from where we left off. Then from the bottom of that line, we are going to draw a diagonal line going downwards and then a diagonal line going up to the left. Nice job! Next, we are going to draw another strap that will be connecting to the diving cylinder of our scuba diver. This will be right here, so we are going to draw two lines next to each other that will connect at the top and bottom. Then for part of the torso, we are going to draw a line connecting from the bottom of the strap to the arm. Awesome job! Next, we are going to draw the other arm. For this, we are going to draw two lines that will be here and here. Then at the end of those two lines, we are going to draw a line connecting them together. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Our drawings are coming along great. Next, we are going to draw the goggles. For this, we are going to draw an oval that will not connect at the bottom and will be a little bit above the neck and to the left. Then to connect this shape together, we are going to draw a curved line going upwards in the middle. Awesome job! Learn how to draw hub crew. Next, we are going to outline this shape that we just drew. Nice job! Now we are going to start drawing the face. We will start by drawing the left side. So inside of the goggles near the left side, we are going to draw a small line. Then right below that line, outside of the goggles, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards, connecting to the left side of the neck. Then above the line inside of the goggles, we are going to draw a line right above it outside of the goggles that has a small curve at the top. Then from this, we are going to begin drawing the hair, so we are going to draw a small curved line going downwards, then another curved line going upwards, and one that comes back downwards from that. We are going to continue drawing some curved lines like these ones right here for the rest of the hair. And once we get all the way to the right side, we are going to finish drawing the hair by drawing a curved line going downwards connecting to the right side of the goggles. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the hairline of our scuba diver that will be across the forehead. For this, we are going to draw a curvy line connecting to the goggles on both sides. Next, we are going to draw the mouth. For this, we will start by drawing a small C, and then we are going to draw a tube connecting from the mouth to the diving cylinder. This tube is going to be right here. Then connecting to the top and bottom of that C, we are going to draw two curvy lines going up to the right, just like I showed before for the tube connecting to the diving cylinder. Awesome job! Next, we are going to draw the diving cylinder on our scuba diver's back. We are going to start near the top of the leg right here and then go to the left, connecting to the right side of the goggles. Nice job! Now we are going to draw the right side of the face with a small line right here. Then we are going to go back to where we started drawing the tube connecting to the mouth, and we are going to draw a bigger C right here around the one we drew before. Then a little bit above the mouth connecting to the goggles, we are going to draw a small curved line for the nose. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Now we are going to draw the eyes. We will start by drawing a circle inside of the right side of the goggles. Then inside of this, we are going to draw the pupil. For this, we are going to draw a small C and then go over it again to bolden it. Awesome job! Now we are going to do the same thing for the left eye in the left side of the goggles. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the eyebrows. For this, we will draw two small curved lines above each one of the eyes inside of the goggles. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew! Now the final step of drawing our scuba diver will be to draw the hands. For this, we are going to draw a curved shape going out for the thumb, and then we are going to draw 4 more curved shapes together for the rest of the fingers on our hand. Nice job! Now we are going to draw the other hand similar to this one, except the thumb is going to be on the right side, so it is pointing inwards similar to the other one. This is how to draw a scuba diver. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next, and stick around until the end to see our drawing all colored, and see you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.